Introduction. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is on many people's minds: how to lose weight fast and easy. Losing weight can seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, you can achieve your weight loss goals and feel great in no time. So, let's dive into some tips on how to lose weight fast and easy. Tip 1. Set realistic goals. The first step in losing weight fast and easy is to set realistic goals. Don't expect to lose 10 pounds in a week or two. It's important to aim for a healthy, sustainable weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. This may not seem like much, but it adds up over time and is much easier to maintain in the long run. By setting achievable goals, you'll avoid the disappointment and frustration that comes with unrealistic expectations. Tip 2. Track your food intake. Tracking your food intake is a great way to lose weight fast and easy. There are many free apps available that can help you track your calorie intake, macronutrients, and even water intake. By tracking what you eat, you'll be more aware of what you're putting into your body and be able to make better food choices. This will ultimately lead to weight loss. Tip 3. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water is an easy way to help you lose weight fast. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it also helps you feel full, which can prevent overeating. Drinking water also helps to flush out toxins from your body, which can contribute to weight gain. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day, and try to drink water before meals to help you feel full and eat less. Tip 4. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for weight loss. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, which can lead to weight gain. Lack of sleep can also affect your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and try to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Tip 5. Incorporate exercise into your routine. Incorporating exercise into your routine is another important step in losing weight fast and easy. You don't have to spend hours at the gym to see results. Even just 30 minutes of exercise per day can make a difference. Try to find an activity that you enjoy, whether it's walking, jogging, or yoga. The key is to be consistent and make exercise a habit. Conclusion. By following these tips, you can lose weight fast and easy. Remember to set realistic goals, track your food intake, drink plenty of water, get enough sleep, and incorporate exercise into your routine. It's important to remember that weight loss is a journey and not a quick fix. By making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, you'll see results over time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and feedback, so if you have any comments or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and value your input. Don't forget to check out our other videos and playlists, and follow us on our social media channels for updates and behind-the-scenes content. Once again, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.